say all the things that I might have been telling you time and again, is that any language has four levels of learning. Any language has four levels of learning. Right from listening, it starts from listening. Okay, so anyhow, if learning is coming through listening, now you are to repeat the same. You are to repeat the same. This is called repetition, and we start speaking. So the next level, if you are listening well and you are repeating the thing, you get used to some ideas, they come to you, and learning keeps on happening. Then you further move on to the third step, that is the reading part. You pick up a book, you pick up a poetry, you pick up a poem, you anything, newspaper or any text written, and you start reading it out. Now, since these two steps have been cleared already, you are moving into that with some kind of an understanding. You can, because what is A for apple and B for bat, or A for acrobatics and B for ball? Something has been codified, and since we have a perception, we have an understanding, we have the knowledge of the very same, we can very well and easily we can decode it. तो कोडिंग एंड डिकोडिंग, जो कंप्यूटर के स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो बहुत अच्छे तरह से इस बात को समझ सकते होंगे. कंप्यूटर में भी क्या है, जीरो और वन, isn't it? And what a wonderful world computers are, isn't it, in that sense? So coding and decoding. तो किसी भी लैंग्वेज लर्निंग में आपके चार लेवल हैं: listening, repeating means speaking, and then reading, and then comes the ultimate thing that is called writing. Okay, so once you have cleared all these three steps, now you write. This happens with just you, your pen and the paper, isn't it? In term and examination, if they are external assessments, obviously what the thing is happening is that you have practiced your subject, you have read all your lessons well, you have mugged up the definitions, you have done a bit of rote learning also, you have rattafication bhi kiya hua hai. But if with understanding you have practiced all these things, तो राइटिंग स्किल ऑब्वियसली आपकी थोड़ी पॉलिश्ड होकर आती है, क्योंकि you have a vocabulary, because you have read so many books, you have gone through so many texts, and you have acquired a fabulous content that is called your vocabulary content. तो भाषा में कंटेंट बहुत आवश्यक है, परम आवश्यक आप इसको मान सकते हैं. अगर आपके पास कंटेंट है तभी तो आप सप्लाई करोगे. इट्स सिंपल, डिमांड एंड सप्लाई. Now, there is a demand in the form of a question, and you are to respond to that question. Until and unless you have it in supply or in store here, how would you be able to respond? आप नहीं कर पाएंगे respond. तो इसलिए आपको ध्यान रखना है कि एग्जामिनेशन में आपको अगर फ्लरिश करना है तो आपको इन सब चीजों को बहुत सिंसियरिटी के साथ, बहुत कमिटमेंट के साथ और अपने भले के लिए आप उस प्रयास को करेंगे जिसको कहते हैं प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस. Until and unless you practice the subject during your study hours very genuinely, very honestly, learning is not going to happen to you. चाहे आप 100 कोचिंग सेंटर ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, चाहे आप हजारों क्लासेस ले लीजिए, चाहे आप कितने ही ट्यूशंस पर आप जाते रहिए, ऑनलाइन हो ऑफलाइन हो, दैट डजंट मैटर. कोई एक्सटर्नल हेल्प आपको हेल्प तभी तक कर पाती है जब उस हेल्प को आप व्हाट यू सो दिस इज व्हाट we have to understand. Now we can pick up a chapter, we can pick up some grammar